Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the right tools and choosing a search zone. Bring a diamond or netherite pickaxe. Silk Touch helps keep blocks. Fortune increases drops. Once done, prioritize underground near y equals 70 down to y equals 64 where amethyst geodes spawn. Make sure to check natural caves and ravines that expose ringed geode walls. You should also listen for water and scan for distinctive basalt and calcite layers. These visual cues point to a nearby geode faster than random digging. Once you find the geode shell, work methodically to expose the purple interior. Remove calcite and smooth basalt around the cavity. Go slow so you don't accidentally break budding amethyst. When a budding amethyst block is present, do not mine it. It won't drop shards and will stop growth. Instead, clear surrounding blocks and control hazards. Pour water to move lava, place torches to prevent mobs. These steps let the cluster form fully and preserve growth for harvesting. You now harvest the clusters but do it correctly. Use a pickaxe with fortune to maximize shards per cluster, and never mind the budding amethyst block itself because it's the growth source. When you break an amethyst cluster, pick up the shards immediately, then allow the budding block to regrow another cluster. If shards don't appear, make sure you didn't use Silk Touch and check that the block broken was a cluster. Otherwise, wait for regrowth or search the next geode nearby. One troubleshooting tip: if clusters fail to drop shards, switch to a fortune tool and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.